Fix please reboot and restart the game, ARRGFX state error. So how to fix please reboot and start the game, ARRGFX state error. So if you see this error in GTA 5, follow the simple steps to fix it. Step number 1, restart your game and PC. So close GTA 5 completely and restart your PC and try to open the game again. Step number 2, update your graphic drivers. Go to the website of your graphic cards if you have NVIDIA or AMD or Intel, and download and install the latest drivers for your GPU, and then restart your PC and check if the game works. Step number 3, add a command line fix. So open the GTA 5 installation folder or file, find a file called commandline.txt or create one if missing. So open it and add this text as you can see it here. You can copy it from here or just you can write it. Now save the file and restart the game. Step number 4, delete the cache files. So go to Documents, then Rockstar, then GTA 5 and find these lines and delete them. As you can see, this is the name of that line. You can delete it. Then the folder named cache, as you can see, this is also you can delete it too. And restart the game and check if it works, of course. Step number 5, verify game files. So if you see Steam or Epic Games Launcher, open Steam or Epic Games as you use and then right click GTA 5, then properties, then verify game files and wait for the process to finish, then restart the game. Step number 6, reinstall the DirectX and Visual C++. So download and install the latest DirectX version and Microsoft Visual C++, then restart your PC and try and running the game again. So follow these steps should help you to fix this error in GTA 5. If the problem continues, try reinstalling the game. And this is how to fix please reboot and restart the game, ARRGFX state error. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.